Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer fulfillment from Shopify to ShipHero, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer fulfillment from Shopify to ShipHero, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section of your Shopify dashboard. Search for the ShipHero app and click to install it. Once installed, open the ShipHero app. Create a ShipHero account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to set up your account details. Link your Shopify store to ShipHero by providing your store URL. Authorize ShipHero to access your Shopify data. Once linked, ship inventory from your Shopify store to ShipHero's fulfillment center. Go to your ShipHero dashboard and select Inventory. Click on Receive Inventory and enter your shipment details. Prepare the items for transfer, ensuring they are properly packed. Print shipping labels through your ShipHero account for the shipment. Send your inventory to the designated ShipHero fulfillment center address. After your inventory arrives, ShipHero will scan and update your stock levels. Return to your ShipHero dashboard and check the inventory status. Now, set up shipping rules within ShipHero to automate fulfillment. Link your product SKUs between Shopify and ShipHero for seamless synchronization. To start fulfilling orders, configure your order routing preferences in ShipHero. Monitor your fulfillment process through the ShipHero dashboard. Keep track of inventory levels and order status to ensure timely deliveries. Make any necessary adjustments to your settings as your business grows. Review your fulfillment metrics regularly to optimize your process. With these steps, you have successfully transferred fulfillment from Shopify to ShipHero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.